Hey guys, so today I'm going to be playing Subway Surf. So yeah, so we just have to wait for the loading. And yeah, always. Okay, so if you hear my voice a bit quiet, I'm so sorry. I don't know why that is happening. Okay, if you hear voices in the background, it's my sister, my mom, or my dad. And yeah. Okay, so I might be only playing 3 rounds because I've been playing this a bit for a really long time. So yeah, let's go. I'm a bit bad at it, so I might also do a bit more. But let's just do this, and because I already am. Okay. Jetpack. Okay, so let's just do this. And then, okay, I'm bad at getting the coins at jetpack. Oops, that was really bad. So next round, this would be a bit short because it's it's 5 more minutes until it's my dinner time. So yeah. And yeah. What's that? Oh, I don't like magnet. I don't really use the magnet. Oh, but this is useful for now. Okay. Let's just do this. Okay. It's a bit laggy because I'm in my bedroom and my bedroom doesn't really have that much connectivity. And yeah. So I still don't get how they go through these stuff, but it's just a game. Okay, last round. Cause 5 more minutes, 5 more minutes until it is. Okay, guys, I have to pause the video.